Hey, what's up, snipers? Sniper Nick here, and tonight we're going to talk about the watch list for tomorrow, Wednesday, February 26th. Got a lot to talk about, so let's go ahead and dive in. First things first, what you're looking at here is on the left side is our watch list, and on the right side is TD Ameritrade's Think or Swim. And we got the stock that we're going to talk about first, TUMZ, TUMZ, on the chart. We still got some big runners in this penny stock land, and that's what's so awesome about it. There's always opportunity no matter what. TUMZ is an OTC play, and look at this amazing play. It ended up holding 74% into the close. This is an OTC stock that is now actually on the short watch for us after it had this huge move today. It made a new 52-week high and had an awesome push, a beautiful 60% plus push over the breakout today, and actually held into the close. So props there. First things first, congrats to all the longs that capitalized. It's an awesome move here, and this is, one of the setups that we focus on as well. So again, congrats on everybody who did capitalize on this one. However, now that it made a move, we figured it could get a good push over that resistance when it gets back to that 52-week high over here. However, we did not think it could get a 60% push and hold into the close. So since it did do that move, now, since it's a little bit overextended, we're eyeing it on the short side. It made this move with no news, and it's up 100% from Monday. So now we have our scope on the short here. Ideally, this goes again, or even if the gap up is good enough, we're gonna be watching it. That's what we got for TUMZ tomorrow. Let's see how it'll open up. TUMZ. These next group of stocks are 4 medical stocks, and they're spiking big because they're low float plays, and they're getting hype over the virus that spread over the weekend. 2 weeks ago, China said they had this under control, but since then, it's been creeping slowly, and this virus has been outbreaking. It's actually been kind of crazy watching it. And now, unfortunately, it actually has spread into Europe. Over the weekend, they announced that it has gotten to Italy, and there's as much as 330 cases in Italy with 7 deaths already. And it seems like, every night the number is growing, which is pretty unfortunate. It's caused the Dow to actually drop in these past 2 days, going positive in 2020 to now negative in 2020 in 2 days. Okay, so the market is getting hit pretty hard because of all this. However, again, look at the opportunity that's out there. These are low float medical plays. They got crazy spikes. 3 of them are on our short list. Every single one besides Lake, because that's how crazy their spikes have been this week, the past 2 days. The one that we're most interested in on the short side, which is COCP. Look at this wild run, and this is what you're just gonna see with these ones. Went from 70 cents all the way up to 220 in 2 days. Now, after hours, it's continuing past that 220, and it's going even more. That's why this is our favorite out of COCP, CODX, and APT, the 3 shorts that we like. This is our favorite. It's up 400% in the past 2 days. Really, really wild move here. And hopefully it gets one more day. Hopefully it gets a gap up tomorrow or gets another spike tomorrow. And we'll be looking at that one closely. The only one that we're interested in maybe going long is Lake, L-A-K-E. This is a low flow play. It's a little bit higher price than what we're used to. However, it's approaching a key spot, that 52-week breakout. These ones could gap up, and if they do gap up as a group, we'll be watching Lake closely to see if we can get that key spot. And then for the other ones, CODX, COCP, and APT, we're gonna be watching to see if any of them could get more of a spike, a 3rd day, to actually short into for those, because they already made crazy moves. Keep in mind, guys, these are all low flow plays, so they are gonna move a lot if they have, this catalyst behind it tomorrow. So you do want to make sure you have a plan if you are going to get into these. Last but not least on the list, our wild card pick of the night. I always have one, and it's actually an OTC play. It's NGTF. The reason NGTF is our wild card pick of the night is because it's approaching a multi-month breakout here of 45. This is an OTC snack company that's approaching a multi-month breakout after they announced record quarterly revenue since their appearance on the Rachel Ray Show. Tomorrow, the volume candles are going to be key. We're going to be zoned in on the minute volume candles tomorrow to see if they can perk up a little bit to get this thing moving, because it does have, it's trading very light, but it has some support there in the 40, and then the high was 43.95. I read in their article something pretty funny. They said that they're focused on a $50 billion nighttime snacking problem. America's $50 billion nighttime snacking problem. It's a nighttime snack company. I'd probably agree that is a problem, the nighttime snacking. These penny stocks are crazy. The news they come out with, it's always interesting. That's why it's so awesome to be in this game. But we really just play patterns. So we're focused in on this to see if we can get to that multi-month spot of 45 tomorrow. And again, ideally, we get that volume that we like to really play this one. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for hanging out with us tonight. We're here in the lounge. We're gonna be back here tomorrow morning early. It's been a grind so far in February, and the team's been crushing it. Actually, real quick shout out to my man, Sniper Jarrett here. He actually profited on the long side of Codex on its second green day here, and it ended up keeping up and continuing. Nice Jarrett on that play, on that quick scalp. Codex kept on going, and that's a key point to show that you can capitalize long and short, just setting a plan and being ready for these plays. All right, much love, snipers. We will see you guys in the chat tomorrow. Peace.